right, folks, we are back here at the 2023 Cadillac V Racing Top Gun Invitational here at the historic Texas Motorplex, and I have two women here that can go battle to battle with anybody, and not only can they go battle to battle, they can drive their way through anything. Luna and Kylie, these ladies have some beautiful GTRs. Ladies, how are y'all doing today?
Hi, I'm so happy to be here. The weather is amazing.
Hey y'all, we live out here at the Cadillac Invitational. The queen is back there, but Hello Kitty, Luna is right here. She planning for her revenge, y'all. She got a revenge race against me today. Let's see how she do. I just made a pass. I just did a soft hit, and I'll tell y'all the time on my soft hit was an 8.3. So let's see what she gonna do right here, guys. She is pissed and ready with her claws and fangs out. So me and her, we will get a rematch today. She's supposed to have this thing turned up. Look at all them toys hanging on the back of the car. What kind of crap is that, man? Nobody want to see the back of the car.
Launches. Here comes Mike. Trying to.
Oh, wow. 8-0. Wow. Y'all, she on kill, y'all. She on kill. I see she turned it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Kenny, she tossed. Hey, that car ain't supposed to go that fast.
The first pass is always the slowest.
She really pissed at me up. She coming.
She said she couldn't sleep. So the guy that he's ready for you.
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna have my hands full.
Same performance, same shop. Luna says Kylie's a little faster. Kylie says Luna's her hero. But the student can't beat the teacher if she's not ready for the green light. Luna takes off top end 8.14 with a 0 at 174 miles per hour. Kylie dropping the laundry 8.31.
Hey, and this is what they do, guys. They give everybody t-shirts, jackets, and all kind of stuff. And they're going to Vibrant Trailers over there. And y'all know I'm running my new fuel, guys, which I love it, love it, love it. Big shout out to One Ethanol. Oh, look at her. There she is. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. Ooh, you bad. You bad. Stop. You need to stop. I saw that. I saw that. You need to turn it down. She ready. Oh, y'all, they taught me. Hey, man, I got my hands full, guys. It's nothing but love out here.
this is exciting. That is beautiful. Let's go.
我要睇下你嘅武功有幾深，出招。如果我輸俾你嘅話，我今日鬼就拜你為師。
What the f is in there? Guys, that's the Hello Kitty card. That's the winner of last year's, I believe. That motherfucker sounds mean right there, man. Mean. Kinda scared. We got Japan versus USA. Now, I don't know where they're from, but still. We got Demonology versus China.
睇到我功夫啊，試我腳法啊！
A rematch from about 3 weeks ago. Left lane, Luna Tran and her 2020 GTR. Herman Young, the 2018 Demon. So about a month ago, at the Big Showdown here, beginning of this month, these two had a big face-off.
而家我要你用科學拳同我鷹爪拳比試。
Luna's driving it. 812 for Herman, 167, 832 for Luna.
你相唔相信我？隨時將你手斬落嚟！你嘅功夫同我比，簡直馬鷹捉雞仔！
Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Goodbye, Kitty.
Congrats.
Luna, you was all over the track. Had you kept straight,
I know that.
It would have been the end of me.
You
did that. I thank you, Tuna. Look. He left me hanging. Hey, man, I thank you, Tuna, for putting her all over the track. I was like, what is she gonna do? Is she gonna go sideways? Is she gonna?
It was too last minute.
It was too last minute.
Yeah, he said, Kenny's like, the car is running fine. It's
Yes.
you, when it starts
What?
going like that, you have to catch it early. And I
Yes.
was catching it way too late. So that was, it's my.
Well, but you know that's what happens when the soul snatcher pulls your soul. You don't have a chance to. Even the claws can't.
That was a tough one.
Now I grab her soul and I'm tugging and I tug just a little, and she do like this because I'm tugging her soul
I
from the
felt
back.
the pull. I felt
What?
the
And she did
pull.
her like this, Kenny. Had she kept straight, that would have been my ass.
I treat.
You
At
treat
least I got that.
You
I
treat
got you on the
you
tree.
got me.
If I got
said, what did she?
You know what? It's
Yeah, she
because
got me.
no, we went road racing. She got us around the cones.
Yeah, I mean the way the GTR can handle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to see this. Here she goes.
It's-
Over there to that side of the track. Go through that cone. Back over there to this side of the track. Go through that cone. Back over there to this side. I was like, what is she doing? Is she? I'm like, is she toying with me?
She just took a lap.
Yeah.
Then
Well, you got me on the tree.
on the tree, but not on the.
Okay, I'm not racing you ever again, like I said last time.
Let's race it. Yeah, she can take you.
Hey, Kenny gonna have to suit up. Kenny, why you got these Charlie's Angels coming out after me, man? What's up?
I got.
Did you reply back? You got to
Brush up on my steering
Yeah, I know.
skills.
Yeah, I know.
unlock a character.
Girl, you dropped the hell out of this car. Hey, Mr. Vibrant. If y'all don't know, excuse me, Vibrant hose is a hose that I use. So I love Vibrant hose, and the clamps that I use, they come from Vibrant. So
One, we've been around for 25 years, so we're not new to the market, and we understand what is needed in the market. And I think the most important thing that we see is listening to the drivers, listening to the shops, listening to you guys, and just saying like, okay, this is what you need. We're gonna make sure that we get it out there for you. So the quality that we bring out, the engineering that we do, most of it, I mean, all of it's done in-house. We have a full tech team that does everything. So I mean, when it comes to quality and what we can do, I think we are, I think we set a standard on a lot of levels, especially when it comes to those clamps.
Yeah.
We all know how important they are, especially when you're running turbos or superchargers.
yeah, the big boots.
Yeah, big boot. I mean, especially diesels. Diesel guys are loving them. They've been great. So, our attention to detail and what we're trying to do and what we provide, I think, is what puts us.
Now y'all headquartered out of Canada? Man, I gotta get to Canada. All my Canada friends are so freaking nice, dude. I gotta get up to Canada. Hey, maybe we can go eat some. What is it called?
Poutine.
Poutine. Always mess up and say poutine, and they say no, that's something else in the hood. So, all right, my
Have you up
brother.
there, man. Cheers.
Thank you for the race, mommy dearest.
You know what? I know. He was on a high rate. How do you live with that?
He's like this all the
I
time.
bet. I'm sure.
All the time.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.